Introducing the SentrySafe Fireproof and Waterproof Home Safe, the ultimate security solution for protecting your most valuable possessions. With a spacious 1.23 cubic feet capacity, this safe is perfect for safeguarding money, jewelry, important documents, and other essential items. Designed for both maximum protection and convenience, this safe combines advanced biometric fingerprint technology with a keypad and key lock, ensuring that only you and authorized users have access. The SentrySafe is built to withstand extreme conditions. It offers up to 1 hour of fire protection at temperatures as high as 1,700 degrees Fahrenheit, keeping your documents and valuables safe from fire damage. Additionally, the safe is fully waterproof, ensuring that your belongings remain dry even if the safe is completely submerged. The link to purchase this high-security safe is in the description below.